What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to go ahead and do this glam right over here. I actually went ahead and used the Palladio Island Vibes palette that I first purchased whenever it came out, but never got a chance to do a video for you guys. My vacation came and then I had a medical emergency that happened, which I will probably want to do a definitely solo separate video on. I just want to go ahead and kind of update you on my life. This is the eye look we are working on. It is super simple and I just wanted to go ahead and make it a little bit affordable by using Palladio Beauty, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Without further ado, let's get right on to the video. So I already have my face on, you guys. I am using two foundations. This is MAC Cosmetics Face and Body Foundation, and the shade I have here is C3 and Marc Jacobs Golden Deep Remarkable Full Coverage Foundation. The shade I have here is 46 Golden Deep, and I mixed these two together with Becca Cosmetics Priming Filter, which is absolutely amazing. It's Chocolate Soleil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and bring a little bit more of a color to my skin. Contour taking Tarte Cosmetics Don't Be Afraid to Dazzle palette, and I'll just take the contour from that and contour. Go in with a highlighting powder. This one right here is Wet n Wild. This is their Reserve Your Cabana powder. I really love using this for highlighting reasons. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that under my eyes. It's just gonna brighten up. For the lips, I'm just gonna go ahead and line them using Lord & Berry. This is their Nude Lip Liner. For the lipstick, you guys, I'm gonna try out the Healthy Lip Velvet Finish. This is by Physicians Formula, and I have here all a natural nude shade. Blush, I'm gonna go and take Crown Blush and Highlight Palette. This is the P05 if any of you are interested. And I also have a code for you guys to take some money off. Just use code MakeupDilse before you check out, and definitely create an account to actually get extra money on top of my code. And that's that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix some of these shades together and apply. Now I will be taking the highlight from this palette, and the brush I'm using is Crown C501, my favorite highlight brush of them all, and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight. Alright you guys, I went ahead and prepped my eyes using NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow base and skin tone, taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm just going to go ahead and take this light shade and set that eyeshadow base before it starts creasing on me. Alright you guys, so the palette I'm using today is the Palladio. This one right here is the Island Vibes palette, and this is what that looks like. As you can see, these are all very vibrant, colorful, and pigmented, but no matte whatsoever. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, which is again the perfect time to use a palette that has nothing but matte shades for you guys, and start working into my crease. And as always, taking a transition shade, this one right over here, and apply that into my crease. There's no harsh lines. Alright, I believe for right now this is pretty much it. I'm going to go ahead and take my Island Vibe palette. I think I'm going to go ahead and do something with this very vibrant green, and I may add a little bit of gold right into the center of it to make it not so much but still a hollow look. So for that process, I got two brushes here. This one right here is Crown Brushes, which is a natural hair, but then I got a synthetic bristle brush as well for the more pigment. Right here is the Jumbo Pencil by NYX Cosmetics in Milk. Because it is a green color, I want it to pop a little bit more, so I'm just going to go and apply that. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that with the brush first. I'm now moving in with the green shade. I'm going to go ahead and move on to my synthetic brush that I told you earlier. I'm going to go ahead and wet that using my MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus. I'm gonna go ahead and take more of a chocolate color, so I'll be taking this one right here from this palette. I believe it is called Salas. Tap off the excess and just blend the edges. taking a more of a richer pigment color. You can take any of shade of your choice. I'm taking this one right here, Make Believe in Yourself. This is the first time I'm using it too. I'm just taking this pretty color that matches what I've got going on onto my eye, and I'm just gonna go and pop that onto the center of my lid. Just like so. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and start working with this shade right over here. The second shade I'll be taking is this one right over here to create more warmth, and I am taking that onto a crown blending brush. And I'm going to go ahead and take Cargo Cosmetics Pebble Beach Brown Eyeliner. I really love their liners. You guys, you should definitely check them out. They are waterproof and they can promise you to be in your waterline all day long. I'm now taking a flat definer shading brush like this one, and I will be taking the black shade from this palette, and I'm just going to go and pop that right along my lower lash line. Going back with the similar small brush that we used earlier, I will be taking this brown right over here. I'm just going to go ahead and blend the black out. Make sure there's no harsh edges. Taking my Palladio palette and taking this shade right over here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Curl my lashes. What I'm using today is the Stella Cosmetics Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Because this is a day glam, I'm just gonna go ahead and go with a natural lash. This one right here is by Ardell Demi Wispies, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply them, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so this right here is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. For those who have been following me, you do know that I have been absent for quite some time, so definitely stay tuned for the upcoming video. I definitely want to go ahead and let you guys know what else has happened in my life and kind of update you and just do a chit chat video for you guys. I just want to let you know it was something that was emergency related, so I just want to go ahead and update you on that. So definitely subscribe if you haven't done so, and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will definitely see you next time.